good? We back. Hopefully we got some bass, man. So y'all seen the clips, everything get painted and everything is dry, fully to the touch and everything. No indents, marks, none of that from the pieces. Hold on, let me cut the light on. So right there they used the screw and the cable, but the actual clamp piece that clamp on the door blend is all back there untouched. Y'all can't see it, but I see it. I took that cable out of parts car. All right, then got hook tweeters up. Then run one RCA straight down, boom. It's gonna go to the EQ, audio control EQ, and then from there I got a 4-channel and a 2-channel that connect to it. The short RCA's already ran on the radio. Now I'm down here labeling everything just in case I had any problems. I ain't scratching my head like I'm doing right now. Oh, motherfucker. So I want the top, my gun, and right about now it's time to have some fun. Missing that rhyme, that is my name, and I know the five power they got champagne. This ain't funny. Money's my D and I'm about to get money. Pull out the jammy, aimed it at the sky. He yelled, drink 'em all, and let's go fly. Man, this motherfucker dropping, boy. Hey, motherfucker ain't hear no R&B sound like this. Everything. Bass on this thing. Knocked all kind of stuff off. Yep. It's about 3 in the morning. I'm gonna go home. So I gotta put my garbage out. They be coming 3, 4 in the morning. If I miss them, I'm mad. Try to clean some of this up. Put these cars up. I come back. Finishing the rest of my wiring. Charge all the way. Whatever I got about to finish. But this thing is slamming, boy. Spin that shit, you gon' doubt it. Spin the check and get it right back. Spin the check and get it right back. Let that money talk, let that money talk. You dead broke, it's your bad fault. I'm high horse, you asphalt. Your roller fake, that shit I thought. Reaction on this. Clean it up. Do it over.
delete the message, she tryna find out it's confused. I don't know what these niggas thinking about. Use the brain on your head for you lose. I pull up back to school and I teach.
Let's go, get some money, fuck they plan.
Yeah.
Wish I would put a screw in a box Chevy dope panel. Stop playing. I struggle putting the dope panels on, but they came along. Got the armrest at the house, bringing them up here tomorrow. Armrest and tweeter pods. They have all new switches. Yes, sir. Ain't got all the panels on, but get the picture. Going away from that wood grain. Tomorrow will be the last update. And then y'all just see it done. Got a lot of wiring tomorrow. Man, this the door right here that I said, hey, we might as well change these door handles because you finna get the car painted. This one broke. Well, shit, just broke all the way this time, but it's a little piece that hold this side in place like this. Y'all see the little nib part at the top of the door jam? Hold on, I'm pointing to it. It's right here. On the inside. See, on this side, it broke. So when you open the door, if you would got the car painted, it would scrape right there. Yeah, so I'm finna get back to it, man. From now on, I'm doing all my door panels. The door panels got subbed out, and it's taking me like an extra, like literally 20-25 minutes each door to put the clips in. And then on, so far, just the front. But I'm hoping that it ain't like that with the other one. The damn clips don't line up. So I'll be trying to do it by myself because I know first time go, everything gonna line up. I probably been done with all this weather stripping and all the door panels by now. You know what I'm saying? It added at least an extra hour in some change. The old weather stripping was on. For anybody who sew, keep the weather stripping to the side. Don't put it back on. The old stuff, don't put it back on. Just common sense stuff. Somebody paying 4 figures to get something done, like a door panel. Don't put the old stuff back on. I think they'll spend another 50, 60, 70, 80 to 100 for a set of weather stripping. Front and rear, they come in different sets for like all the cars. And sometimes it's less than 100, believe it or not. But that's just my opinion. It only make logical sense. But it did definitely cost me some time. So got the door handle on. You know, get this weather stripping changed out. I don't got no more things that could hold me back now. Yeah, going on. Oh yeah, the dope panel clips. Shit. Alright, so on the next video, y'all gonna see me sewing some seatbelts, wiring up third brake light, wiring up sequential tail lights, running my other piles and grounds, putting the lower armrest on, putting the upper armrest on, running my second pile wire, my grounds under the hood, tweeter pods, maybe putting the back seats back in, I don't know, but I'm trying to, today I did what? I sat up here for 4 hours, and every 10, 20, 30 minutes, somebody came and messed me up, so I don't count that time. So 4 hours, so from damn 11 to, it's 1 o'clock in the morning right now. That's how I sat on this car, so I'm trying to do something like that again tomorrow, but I'm closing the door as soon as I get here. I'm not talking to nobody about nothing. I'm just coming here and I'm getting down as soon as I get up. I'm gonna edit this video, post it, Hopefully I can post it by the time I'm gonna get done cooking. Edit, save it, post it. Edit, save it, post it, and shoot. Get back to come up here and wiring, cause literally closing in, man. Closing in. Dang, I gotta make the tweeter pause. Damn, shit. Light work, you get it. But man, for change the last weather stripping, put the last dope panel on. And shoot, I'll be on my way home. SES, man, I'm out.